On this episode, we visit the national park, a picturesque island, Davo ends up in the hospital, and we visit a stunning waterfall.
Run, run, river, carry me home to the ocean. The river and the road, take me home to the ocean. The friends in my life, like stars in the sky, leave the lights on. I'm trying to get back home, the river keeps on flowing to the ocean. The angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone.
Another rough night. Yeah, man, wow, look at these tight crossings. They're beating us up. We don't mind it so much as if we're just lack of sleep. But, so we just take shifts, and whoever has some semblance of weakness is the one that takes the shift. I usually sleep on the couch nearby, or Beth does. But Landon, she's done a great job. She's taken a long shift last night. But yeah, the seas have been really crappy, right in our face. Not safe.
The sail from the Turks and Caicos to the Dominican Republic was pretty rough. We had a lot of head-on seas and wind, so it was a welcome sight to see the Dominican Republic come into our view. Almost immediately upon arriving in the Dominican Republic, I had to turn around and head to Colorado for my next cancer scan and blood test.
Well, at the airport, yeah. One more time. I hate traveling alone.
After a quick trip to Colorado, I head to New Jersey to grab Roy and head back to the Dominican Republic.
They're walking on mangroves. People save the whales and all the
This
time.
way, turn into
Yeah.
it.
Joanne's gonna save the water bottle.
incline made me feel like I had implants.
This incline right here?
They're still sore.
Is this you gonna be able to do this incline?
I don't know. But on belay. Oh,
Tired?
cool.
Here, so check this out. See these?
Oh, yeah.
Watch your head there. I need you to just narrate my video here. Just this woman being
Good stuff. I want the coconut.
Put the lime in the coconut. Pour me in the
Gracias.
Oh.
See how much I just squirted out of there?
No, I didn't see. Gracias.
Okay.
It's good.
It is good.
Warm.
Well, it wasn't in the refrigerator, Dave Meister, but it's good. I like it. Kind of messy drinking it, but it's nice.
Kind of like your sippy cup.
Este más duro.
Watch how it'll squirt. Oh!
Lleno.
Did you see that? That's awesome. Here, Roy, you want this one? Oh, because it's Labor Day.
Coco, sneak coco.
The little thing. And I
Little bell.
Bring up these things in here.
Your grave is hilarious.
Bonita.
Eso es tierra, yo busco tierra. Lo pesco. Ahí hacen el nido, ponen el huevo, ahí sale el bebé.
Bebé.
Yes.
Oh, the baby. This is their home, Roy. Their cusses, their home. Little birds, watch them. They keep flying into their little holes. That's where they live.
Gracias.
Okay.
Perfecto.
Sí.
Oh, wow. Es bonito.
Mucho.
Sí. Thanks to our friends at Elite Fenders, our boat was well protected through the swell. Unfortunately, because of our position in the marina, we were catching the brunt of it.
Even though we experienced a lot of swell, there were moments where there was complete calm. And when there was, we slept well and really enjoyed it.
Much better.
All right. Your lenses are so dirty.
Until we arrive at the waterfall. We always have something going on this boat sometime. That looks really good though, right? It's gonna be really protective. That's awesome. And then the helm station cover. Wow, that looks so good. You like it?
Yeah, I love gray.
Thumbs up.
The town of Samana sits on the Samana Peninsula, which first came into written history on January 13th of 1493, when Christopher Columbus made this his last stop on his first voyage to the New World. The island of Hispaniola shares Haiti and the Dominican Republic, yet they couldn't be different. Haiti suffers from significant poverty, while the Dominican Republic, while it does have its share of poverty, does enjoy a growing tourism industry.
Just returned from a local market in the Dominican Republic. Wow, found some real treasures. Washed them all up, packed them away, and now we're stocked for a while. It's always harder to find good produce when you're out and about, but we scored big time today, kids, even some okra.
Despite the swell, Marina Puerto Bahia was a perfect place to stay. From the restaurants to the movie nights to the pools to the access to the national park across the bay, it gave us the perfect amount of time to get ready for our sail from Dominican Republic to Puerto Rico through the Mona Passage, a notoriously bad passage. Unfortunately, our trip to Puerto Rico was delayed. I ended up getting pretty bad food poisoning, which initially presented as appendicitis. So we got in the car and drove 2 hours away to Santo Domingo to the emergency room. Luckily, we had our friend Tito with us, who was able to translate Spanish. If it wasn't for him, we probably wouldn't have gotten through the night.
Because I got my window down, but I'm just trying to film this last little. gotta come this way. Sorry.
Join us next time from colorful Puerto Rico.
Run, run, river, carry me home to the ocean. The river and the road take me home to the ocean. The friends in my life, like stars in the sky, leave the lights on. I'm trying to get back home. The river keeps on flowing to the ocean. The angels that called me, they sing